Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukia's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these tasty coconut pigeon peas known as Mbaazi za nazi in Kiswahili. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 1 cup of pigeon peas. I've soaked them for at least 6 hours. You're also going to need 2 cups of heavy coconut milk. You're also going to need some water, a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, green and red chili, 1 medium slice of onion, some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. So the first step, you're going to place the soaked pigeon peas in a medium pot, then pour some water, then cover to let the pigeon peas to boil on a medium heat until they are half cooked. After approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour, you're going to check if the pigeon peas are soft, and if yes, let the pigeon peas to continue to boil until the water is completely dry. The next step, you're going to make some light coconut milk. In a medium small bowl, you're going to pour 1 cup of water and a half a cup to 1 cup of heavy coconut milk and stir well. Once the water is completely dry, you're going to pour the light coconut milk, add ginger and garlic pastes, add turmeric and curry powder, then you're going to add 1 slice of onion, sprinkle a bit of salt, and lastly add red and green chili. Then cover to let the pigeon peas to boil until they're nicely cooked. Once the pigeon peas are nicely cooked, you can let the stew to be completely dry, or you can leave some stew, that's up to you. And your pigeon peas are ready, and remove them out from the heat. In a separate small pot, you're going to pour the remaining coconut milk, then cook the coconut milk until it becomes more thick. If your coconut milk will be less thick, you can add 1 teaspoon of wheat flour to make your coconut milk more thick. And once ready, remove the coconut milk out from the heat. Serve your pigeon peas in a bowl, and lastly, you're going to pour the cooked coconut milk to make the pigeon peas more tastier. And our tasty coconut pigeon peas are ready, as you can see in the video. These pigeon peas are so tasty. You can eat along with some Mbaazi, bread, chapati, or anything that you like, and enjoy your coconut pigeon peas. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukia's Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.